Welcome back! In this module, we will further discuss on the mindset and attitude of a successful property investor. Purchasing property is indeed a very exciting process. Thus, you've got to be excited too, because how can you invest in something that you have absolutely no interest in? This is very important. For example, when you venture into an investment without the feeling of excitement or eagerness, it will reflect on the money earned. What you will achieve will feel a lack of fulfillment, and worse still, it's as if you're being forced to do something that you don't like. Having said that, your positive mindset and attitude must also synchronize with having a strategic plan prior to investing in properties by finding ways to make investment affordable to you. Property investment is a big venture, which gives short to long-term returns. Therefore, with big investments come big monetary need. With the average prices of property escalating to US $300,000, you would require at least $50,000 to kickstart your investment income. Many people who don't even attempt to try will find that generating $50K is impossible to do. Therefore, having a strategy in your decision-making would mean you're increasing your efficiency and effectiveness when it comes to utilizing your resources. And when I say resources, it means resources such as your time, energy, and money. If you're a business owner, manage your prospects by finding ways to increase your sales, plus adding value to your business. Meanwhile, if you are an employer, give 100% in your role and find ways to contribute to the organization as well as improving yourself. These are some of the simple steps to accumulate your capital for your future investment, where it should go hand in hand with your strategic planning as well. This will be further discussed in the coming modules. Remember, you must learn a new way of thinking before you can master the new way to be. Mary Ann Williamson.